I think I know what this throw represents. It represents a bird's head, and it also represents a person. The person is inside of the bird's head. So the bird's head is represented by these crystals: the person, the bit, the rose, and the bones. The bird's eye is represented by this purple crystal and this black one. The bird's beak is represented by this crystal, this black crystal, and this crystal, along with this pink one. The purple crystal represents headgear on the person's head. The black crystal represents the person's face. The rose is around the neck of the person. The bone represents something tied to this person. And the bit represents a scepter that is tied to this person. The person's feet or foot is not visible in this throw. The chest, the abdomen, and some of the leg is represented in this throw. And so, yeah.